Perhaps you see the ads on TV for lawyers and get overwhelmed with all the choices that there seem to be out there when you need legal help. But the key can be, what does a lawyer specialize in? How about needing one of medical malpractice or, say, injury? Well, our next guest, he'll have your back. I am now joined by Jack Gordon. Jack, welcome back. How
Natalie,
are you?
always a pleasure to spend some time with you and the best morning crew on television.
Oh, look at that. We didn't even have to pay him to say that. Jack, again, we are glad you joined the show here, and we were kind of touching on the importance of lawyers and what they specialize in. Why is that so important when people are out there looking for some help?
I think you're going to find that over the course of the past 20 to 25 years, the practice of law has gone in much the same direction as the practice of medicine. You know, 30, 40, 50 years ago, you'd have your community doctor in the neighborhood, and he would treat everything. And I think the same time period, or during the course of the same time period, you have a lawyer to do everything. Do your wills, do your probate, do your take care of your traffic tickets. But I think that the manner in which the law has progressed, it now requires a greater degree of sophistication because there is an increase in complexity.
I'll say, well, that is a good reason right there. And so, you know, I've got to ask and follow up with, what do you specialize in? What is your focus and how you can help people out there?
When we say specialize, we're normally talking specifically about board certification. So any lawyer can concentrate in any area that he or she wishes to concentrate in.
Okay.
But if you achieve board certification, you have demonstrated to the satisfaction of either your bar organization or a national board that you have developed a proficiency and an expertise in that field. So I'm fortunate enough to have achieved a number of board certifications, primarily in civil trial, and I'm board certified by both the Florida Bar and the National Board of Trial Advocacy in civil trial. So I had to have demonstrated a significant number of cases and demonstrate that I've had the experience trying those cases and presenting claims to a jury. And then we have to sit for an additional examination. So I've achieved board certification in civil trial as well as in medical malpractice on a national level.
And talking about these certifications and the experience that you do have, I'm sure you've had those clients who've given you the feedback to where your expertise, your experience has helped them. Do you have any examples or any feedback that you can share on how that's really benefited your client?
You know, I've been really blessed. It's not really a function of me by myself. At Maney Gordon, we have a team of 10 of truly the finest trial lawyers in the state of Florida. And it's, again, every day is a blessing and an opportunity to hone my craft with some great colleagues and great trial team members. And we've been fortunate enough to have achieved some great success, some great verdicts, and some great results for some very, very deserving clients. At the end of the day, we are absolutely seeking compensation for those people who rightfully deserve compensation, who've been injured through no fault of their own and require additional monies to otherwise take care of their medical needs and other financial needs. The other thing that we do, and we're blessed by virtue of being part of the tort system, is that as the process of asserting a lawsuit not merely can result in compensation to the victim, but what it also does is make the world a safer place for everybody else. I'm not too humble to tell you that as a direct result of some of our lawsuits against the hospitals, our medical malpractice claims, that not merely have we achieved success in compensating the patients who are wrongfully injured by medical negligence, but as a direct result of these claims, a number of the hospitals have changed their policies. A number of the hospitals have instituted policies about how they monitor pediatric patients post-surgically. And as a result, boy, it's a safer place for consumers and patients.
Well, again, we appreciate the work that I'm sure you and your clients have done in that forefront, but maybe you're seeing him sitting on the couch, maybe you recognize him, and I know some people know you for your TV ads, and in fact, I think we're going to share one of them here with you today.
Yeah, until Hollywood discovers me, you're going to continue to see me on the on the small screen.
I love dogs, but you won't see them in my commercials. It's just me reminding you that Maney Gordon has the proven expertise of board certification, national credentials, and extensive trial experience to best represent you after your car accident. Simple as that.
Well, Jack, you didn't look too cold there when I was watching.
It was a function of 3 layers of thermal underwear, Natalie.
That is the key. Well, if you want to get in touch with Jack about his fashion tips or talk with him about helping you for legal advice or help, there's the website, there's his phone number. As always, we appreciate when you come in.
Well, thank you for having me, Natalie.